This video is going to explain and provide a preview of your final paper in ECE 100, your observation and paper assignment about the early childhood education settings that you've observed this semester. There will be 5 other videos, one for each section of the paper, that will go into that section in much more detail than this video will. So this assignment has been updated due to COVID-19. So the purpose of this paper is that you will demonstrate recognition that while early childhood educators share the same core professional values, not all early childhood educators agree on the central questions of the field. So the updated directions. It says, since you cannot observe the full 20 hours for this semester, you will combine your first-hand observations, if you've completed any, with virtual classroom observations that are posted in the observation video folder on our Learn site. As you will see, there are 5 sections to this paper. Those 5 sections also are the core professional values. So the core professional values and the 5 sections of this paper are learning environment, assessment, professionalism, family and community involvement, and lastly, developmentally appropriate practices. In each section, there are going to be theoretical questions that you have to answer using references and things you have learned this semester, and observation questions that you should be able to answer from either your observation hours in the field or the videos. So the point is to understand that all professionals will value assessment, for example. Nearly all early childhood professionals value assessment. However, not every program nor every approach to teaching will look at assessment the same way. So your job is to think critically about what role assessment plays and then how assessment is used in different programs. You will do that for all of the 5 core professional values. So your paper should address the outline below. You do need to follow APA format. You will need to submit a cover page. Your paper will need to have headings, and you will need to have a properly formatted reference section. There is no need to include an abstract in this assignment. The sections of this paper are going to be the 5 sections, the core professional values, that were already mentioned. They will be the headings in your paper. Begin each section with theory and evidence based on best practices. You're going to read our Morrison textbook. Some of you access that through the Pearson portal. Others of you have the hard copy textbook. You'll be able to read Brenda Camp and Koppel, which is the NACE DAP book. You'll be able to reference any NACE position statements, any additional classroom readings, so all of those articles that are in your weekly folders, and any other information from the ECE settings videos to support your statements that you make. You do not have to answer each question in order, and do not develop answers that are unconnected from one another or use a bulleted format in your paper. If something was not observed in your early childhood education settings or videos, reflect on what the absence of that quality implies for the child, family, or the program. Follow the protocol of effective scholarly writing. You may embed your observations, real life or from the videos, into the theoretical and research-based answers. Choose a format that works best for you.